In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a logo in CapCut PC. So what you'll need to do once you open your CapCut PC is simply go and create your projects. Here, make sure to simply go and upload your logo. You can simply just click in here, or you can go and click on imports at the top left corner. Of course, you'll have to go and locate your logo. Let's say, as an example, I have this meme picture here, and let's pretend that it's my icon. I'm just going here to add, as an example, a recording. So we can add a video. I'll just record like a small 5-second video. I'm just going here to click on start recording, and I'm going to record my screen here as an example for 5 seconds or so. So I'll just wait for that. Of course, you can also record your voice or even your camera if you want to. For me, I'm just going to stop recording here and clicking on edit more. So it should be added here. So now as an example, let's say that this is our logo. So to insert it, all we need to do, just go and put it here. So once you put it here, as you can see, it will appear here. And what we'll need to do is basically make it as big or as small as we want. Let's say an example, my logo should be this or like this. This is too big. Let me just make it a little bit smaller. And okay, like that. And of course, I'll need to have it on the whole video. Now, if I go and preview how the video is looking like, as you can see, so my logo will always remain here at the bottom right. Of course, I can put it wherever I want if I want to. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.